If you're 27 like me, you've been alive for 1,429 weeks, just over 10,000 days. It doesn't seem like a long time, but when you think the average person only lives 4,223 weeks, it kind of puts it into perspective. Well, why am I telling you this? Well, I'm a true believer of trying new experiences. And I recently decided to make a change in my life. Something I never thought I would do, but for some reason, I did it anyway. I got a normal job. You know, those ones with bosses and shit. I lasted 9 years out of high school without ever getting a job. I always wanted to be my own boss, make the decisions, and most importantly, be in total control of my own life. So what changed? Why am I giving up now? Well, to start, this isn't giving up. This is doubling down. Before I go on, I just want to quickly say, if you haven't yet subscribed, smash that subscribe button down below and help me hit 100,000 subscribers. So, there are 16 hours from when I wake up to when I turn off. Of that, 12 hours is solid work, with an hour in the middle for lunch and a few hours after for life. 12 hours of solid work is a very long time, and if you can manage your time well, you can accomplish a lot in that 12 hours. This is something I've been learning how to do for a while through books and through videos, and I think I've gotten pretty good at it. I thought in this video I would explain what happened, why I decided to take a job, and what that job is. All whilst taking you through my day in the life as a content creator, a designer, a marketer, and now a general manager. My morning consists of emails, replying to comments, working on video scripts, and shooting scenes for upcoming videos. As well as that, I spend some time planning and researching. I do this every single day without fail. This gets me so fired up. After a solid planning session, I feel so empowered to go and get shit done. Planning can take many forms. Sometimes it's me sitting at the computer, writing, browsing the web, and other times I could be on a bike ride, rowing, or driving around country roads, just letting my mind wander. And this can lead to awesome results. Don't worry, I'm fully concentrated when I'm on those country roads. The next portion of the day used to be dedicated to designing and uploading for my print-on-demand business, but thankfully my wife has taken the reins on that one. I like to dip in every couple of days as I find designing so much fun. However, this does free up a solid hour and a half for me, which is really great. Now we've got lunch. After lunch, I start my job, working for Carbon 6, which is such an awesome company with a lovely group of people. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like a job. From day one, everyone was so cool and so chilled, and it genuinely feels like we're trying to build something truly awesome. I'm fully focused on their merch side of things, and one of the tools they own you might have heard of. It's Pretty Merch. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever heard of Pretty Merch or if you use it. When I was first approached to come and work on Pretty Merch, it felt strange because I used the tool and I knew the company. It's an awesome company. I just never expected to actually be working on the tool. And because I have so many print-on-demand ideas and I get so many comments and so many emails asking for things, it just made me realize that if I'm working for a print-on-demand company who create a print-on-demand tool, it will be so much easier for me to implement all of these ideas that I had and that all of you have, and actually bring these ideas to you. My main focus is going to be making the Pretty Merch tool one of the best tools for print-on-demand sellers. And the first thing I want to implement is making sure it's accessible for everyone, not just people who have a Merch by Amazon account. I want to make something that impacts the lives of every single print-on-demand seller with training and the right tools to genuinely help your businesses grow. Truth be told, I never thought I would take this job, but after speaking to various people at the company and looking at nearly all 600 reviews of the Pretty Merch tool, I thought, why not? It could be really fun working with other people, and with all those resources, we could make something so cool. Currently, we're working on a really big launch that I cannot wait to share with everyone. I'm so excited, and I will definitely be making videos and letting everyone know. However, I do just want to say my YouTube channel is still very much my YouTube channel. I control all the content. I decide what content is going to be made. And if you want me to make something, I can still go about and do that. It is completely separate. So don't worry, you're still going to get the brutally honest and blunt me. Now, at about 8:30 p.m, I'll usually turn off for the day, unless there's still a lot of work to be done. If there's not, it's time to relax. Go out, watch a movie, anything really. And that's pretty much my day. It differs from day to day, but most of the time, the tasks are pretty much the same. If you would like to see how to start a print-on-demand business, then check this video out here, where I go through everything, and by the end of it, you should know exactly how you can start your own print-on-demand business and have success with it.